Alright guys, I'm going to be unboxing this new case I just got from my Note 8. It is the Encased Note 8 Rebel black case with holster clip. Just got it off at Amazon because my other holster wore out and broke. So I'm going to pull this out, see what we got inside, and I'll do a review once I've been using it for a day or so. It does say on here, boom, our happiness guarantee includes a lifetime warranty and friendly support. That would be awesome because I went through my last one in less than a year, the holster. So this is my review of the Encased Galaxy Note 8 phone case. Just picked this up off of Amazon. This case actually comes with a holster included, which is kind of why I picked it up. I've been using an encased holster with my OtterBox phone protector for a while now. It finally broke down on me. I decided to get a replacement and realized that it was cheaper to get the holster with a case than to just get the holster on its own. It's about $1 cheaper to get the combo than to just get the case by itself. So let's talk about what comes in here and how it looks. So first off, let's look at the case. It's a nice case, two-part. It's got the hard shell and the soft inner shell. What I really like about this is that the hard shell covers basically all of the soft shell. There's a little bit here on the sides that is not covered, but the corners are all covered with the hard shell, and that is something that I didn't see on some other cases. The fit is really good. You actually put it on the phone, so it goes on there, fits really nice. There's not really any gaps or openings on the case. It is kind of weird to me that they made this in two parts. I guess I kind of would have liked to have seen it as a one piece instead of having the two separate parts there. This bottom piece has popped off a few times when I've tried to put it in the holster. The S-pin, you kind of got to reach in there a little bit with your nail, but it is accessible. If that's a big deal for you, then the OtterBox might be a better choice. And I'll do another video reviewing that and do a comparison of these two. And then moving on to the holster, it's a pretty nice holster. It's got this protective felt stuff on the inside here where you can put the screen against it. That's usually what I do, is put it with the screen face down and then clip it in there. It's really tight as far as the spring lock and the holster clip itself. You can hear those are good strong clicks as you move this around, so it's going to stay in whatever position you have it in. The clip's in good condition. The holster overall is pretty nice so far. I have noticed a few times, like I said, if you don't get it in at exactly the right angle, sometimes it pops off the bottom piece of the cover shell. So that's a little annoying. But other than that, it's pretty sturdy. I haven't had any issues with it falling out when I've been wearing it. And like I said, I'm on the job site a lot. I'm working construction. I pull this thing out so many times a day, it's not even funny. So now this is the old one. It is an encased holster case, and you can see in the year since I bought it, let's take this off. I had to modify it because the first thing to go on this was the spring. The spring mechanism in there, it just wore out. I was using it way too much, or not too much, but more frequently than they planned for, I guess. And the spring wore out quite a while ago, actually. Probably after about 7 or 8 months of use, the spring went out on me. So I cut some notches in it and put some rubber bands on it, and that held my phone in for a while, and then the actual clip on the back broke off, and I glued another plate on and was using that for a while, but then that broke off and I was like, okay, it's time to just break down and get a new one. So on the old one, I actually had to kind of shave the corners to get the phone to fit in there correctly. With the new one, that is not the case. You can see it doesn't really set down as well in the older one as it does in the newer one. So they definitely made some improvements to their holster design. Subtle though they are, it seems like the spring is a lot stronger than the original spring was on this one. The clip is a lot tighter, so they've improved the clip quality and how that's connected. They've improved the spring, and they've just kind of tweaked a little bit the fit and finish of it. So complete thumbs up. It looks like they might have actually changed manufacturers from whoever they had manufacturing it. But yeah, so if you're looking at getting a case for the Note 8, right now I am loving this thing. I've had it in an OtterBox for the longest time, for over a year now, and this is outperforming it And it's surprising because this is under $20 for the case and the holster, and I believe the OtterBox was probably like $50 just for the case. So you can get yourself a holster, a case, a screen protector, all for probably half the price of an OtterBox case. And so far, I've had no downsides. Though I haven't been using it as long, I don't really foresee any problems with this. And it actually does. It covers all the screen edges well, covers all the corners, like I said. So if you're looking at buying a case for your Note 8, the encased, rugged, go for it. This is a great case, especially for the price.
As always, if you found this review helpful, purchasing through the Amazon link in the description will help support this channel without costing you anything extra. Be sure to leave a big thumbs up and comment if you have any questions or suggestions on how to improve. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be alerted when I have a new product review or project video coming out. Thank you for watching.